How to delete search history on YouTube app. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your YouTube search history on the YouTube app in just a few simple steps. If you want to clear your past searches for privacy or to refresh recommendations, this guide is for you, so let's get started. First things first, open the YouTube app. Simply tap on the search bar and you'll see your recent searches. Simply hold on a search item you want to delete like this, or you can simply basically swipe left and from there simply tap on delete. You'll see your searches being deleted. Now repeat this for any other searches you want to remove. Now to clear entire search history, simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and simply go to settings. From there, what you can do is simply tap on history and privacy. As you can see here, manage all history. And simply find tab clear search all history. Simply tap on delete. As you can see here, delete all time. And tap on delete. And that's it. This will remove all past searches from your Facebook account. And that's how you can simply delete search history on YouTube app.